In a world of never-ending growth and prosperity, there are bound to be some hurdles as humanity continues to thrive and push new limits. Whether that's struggling to provide quality food and medicine to our families to ensure their well-being, or dealing with the bottomless pit of counterfeit goods and fraudulent services, the one thing we have on our side to help amend this rapidly growing issue is blockchain technology. Since the inception in 2009, blockchain technology has taken the world by storm and has created an infamous pit of ideas which in the process has removed all creative constructs. Through this new means of storing, validating, and legitimizing information, a company by the name of Vechain was incepted in 2015 to tackle the challenges facing the world head on that the majority don't realize are there. Whether that's with comprehensive product management, value-added data services, or even authoritative third-party certifications, they are focused on building a trust-free and distributed business ecosystem to enable transparent information flow, efficient collaboration, and high-speed value transfer. Vechain has become one of the few blockchain platforms with real-world business applications adopted by reputable enterprises across multiple sectors worldwide. By providing robust and secure blockchain infrastructure, enterprise solutions, turnkey packages, and development tools in both software and hardware, Vechain aims to enable its business partners and developers to adopt blockchain solutions for business and create a powerful and sustainable ecosystem. Now, as this can sound very dried out and boring to the majority of people out there, I feel like the best way to really understand the true potential of this new ecosystem is by discussing the partners that Vechain is currently working side by side with and what they're currently doing in the Vechain ecosystem. If you are genuinely interested on finding a quality cryptocurrency project that seriously has the potential to make a lot of people very wealthy in the future, I highly recommend that you guys stay through to the end of the video, as I have spent many hours putting all of this information together and would be greatly appreciated if you could also leave a like on this video to show your support. So no more wasting your time, let's dive into partnership number 1. Vechain and DNV GL announced a partnership that will focus on transparency of product and supplier information. It is being done with the intention of bringing disintermediation and improving efficiency. Because it acts as a gateway to many other partnerships, a partnership with DNV GL is a huge name in the supply chain industry, serving over 13,000 vessels and mobile offshore units, which gives it a global market share of 21%. PwC and Vechain help Walmart China build its blockchain traceability system. Back in May of 2017, this partnership was announced. The traceability system allows customers to scan QR codes to get information about a product's status, including details about the location, logistics, retailed information, and product inspection reports. There is little need to introduce PwC, which is one of the big 4 professional service firms. It provides services to 420 of the 500 Fortune 500 companies and operates in 158 countries. In 2019, it generated a revenue of roughly $42 billion. Vechain and Walmart China's partnership is a part of the previous one, as it was actually a collaboration between the 3 entities. The Chinese counterpart of the retail chain said that it expects to see multiple traceable products account for a majority of its stock by the end of 2020. Walmart China is the Chinese face of Walmart Retail Corporation and has grown over 400 stores since its inception in 1996. In November of 2019, Vechain announced a collaboration with 2 parties to deliver Foodgates at the China International Import Expo of 2019. The 3 companies of Vechain, DNV GL, and logistics firm ASI Group plan to import high-end products and food items from France, such as beef, pork, and wine. The Vechain announcement coincides with a broader $15 billion deal between China and France that was revealed the same week during the French President Emmanuel Macron's visit to China. The deals include approval for 20 French companies to export poultry, beef, and pork to China, as well as approval for poultry exports to include duck and geese. The Foodgates solution enables Chinese buyers to purchase excellent French products with total and transparent assurance about the origin, quality, safety, and end-to-end traceability. Foodgates aims to provide a world premium trusted blockchain-powered platform for international buyers and consumers of high-end food and beverage products. Next, we have a very exciting partnership between BMW and Vechain made in February of 2018. This collaboration saw the release of an app called Verify Car, which is essentially a digital passport for vehicles. Among other things, the application will tackle odometer fraud and allow users to view maintenance history. Like some other major companies that Vechain has partnered with, BMW doesn't need an introduction. The German car company is the 12th largest producer of motor vehicles, producing nearly 2.6 million vehicles a year. Our next partnership comes from April of 2019, where Vechain, DNV GL, and Haier enter into a strategic partnership that sees the three to empower the clothing lifecycle management system with blockchain and IoT technology. Haier is a Chinese home appliance and consumer electronics company that produces a range of products from mobile phones to air conditioners. In 2019, it was recognized by Brand Z as the most valuable IoT ecosystem brand in the world with a brand value of $16.3 billion. In May of 2017, China's National Research Consulting Center partners with Vechain. Vechain will provide proof of origin and anti-counterfeit solutions to track tobacco products on the supply chain in a bid to stop smuggled counterfeit cigarettes. Additionally, Vechain will work with regulatory bodies to create blockchain and IoT solutions. In November of 2018, Vechain and Invest Cyprus form a Memorandum of Understanding, with the agenda including policy reform suggestions that will have blockchain technology serve operations and financial services. In September of 2018, Vechain and the People's Insurance Company of China partner along with DNV GL to bring digital transformation across the entirety of PICC. Specifically, the solutions provided will focus on the protection of user data, ownership distribution, and the enhancement of existing AI, all without clients having to undergo extensive training. The PICC is a property and casualty insurance company in China, providing vehicle, property, and home insurance, and also serving other areas. In June of 2018, Vechain and DB SCHENKER collaborate to release a third-party supplier evaluation system. The focus of this system will be on China's logistics industry for any and all industry and trades. The benefit of the system will be that it expedites processes and enhances the quality of service of the industry. DB SCHENKER is a subsidiary of Deutsche Bahn AG, a German rail company. The latter operates into the logistics and freight transportation areas and generates roughly $17.9 billion in revenue. Next, we have a partnership in February of 2018 with Yida China Holdings. Vechain and Yida Futures signs a partnership that sees the former build solutions for the Yida Group. The latter is the group's IT management division, and the group itself is a notable real estate developer in the nation. Yida Futures is a subsidiary of Yida Group and functions as its technological arm. Among other things, the company focuses on smart business park, insurance industry, government administration, and medical solutions. A partnership between Vechain and BitOcean was formed in December of 2017, which sees the latter's network of ATMs adding Vechain's tokens to their ATMs. The token can be purchased with the Japanese yen and is another checkbox in BitOcean's global expansion plans. BitOcean is a Bitcoin ATM manufacturer that is China's first self-developed two-way Bitcoin ATM machine. In February of 2019, Vechain and REEBONZ sign a Memorandum of Understanding that will bring blockchain technology that verifies the provenance of luxury products from end to end. As part of the MOU, the two parties will develop a digital tag that will enable the development of upstream and downstream supply chain assurance to allow product traceability, supply chain planning, product management, and proof of ownership. REEBONZ is an Asian online luxury marketplace and platform that has a strong focus on data and technology. It features over 1,000 brands and 172 boutiques. In July of 2017, Vechain and RENAULT team up to build a digital car maintenance book. The actual partnership was between RENAULT, Microsoft, and VTHO, but Vechain was closely involved within the latter. RENAULT is another major car manufacturer just like BMW. The French company was started in 1899 and is the 9th biggest automaker in the world by production volume. In May of 2017, Vechain teams up with Shanghai's direct imported goods D.I.G, a major wine importer in the region, to tackle illicit Chinese wine trade. Vechain along with D.I.G have developed an authentication system for luxury wines. Bottles come equipped with an NFC chip to track the origin of the wine. Apparently, there have been a 10% increase in sales since the launch of the systems. In December of 2017, Vechain has been tapped as a partner to develop the Gui An New Area, a unique economic development zone. Vechain will be the blockchain technology partner helping with the planning and also designing and implementation of such processes. This includes collecting and analyzing data, protecting privacy, and applying the technology to businesses. In April of 2018, Vechain and Shanghai eGrid sign a deal to integrate Vechain's automobile solutions into Shanghai eGrid's ERP, SCP, and CRM solutions. Furthermore, the two parties will look at more ways in which the Vechain Thor blockchain can be integrated into business processes. Shanghai eGrid is a technology and information services company that works in several fields. Clients include the Chinese counterparts of Volkswagen and General Motors, BYD, and many other prominent Chinese entities. And recently on April 2nd of 2020, Shanghai eGrid announced that based on the success of the pilot project, Shanghai Gas decides to enhance the collaboration to reap more benefits, which leads to the decision to kick off the further blockchain-based energy project. In April of 2019, along with DNV GL, Vechain and Norway In A Box partnered to bring blockchain technology to Norwegian products, including seafood, supplements, water, and home furnishings. The three entities are building a trust platform to ensure that Chinese consumers are receiving high-quality products from Norway. Users can scan a QR code to receive a product's information and background. In December of 2018, Vechain and BIOS Middle East signed an MOU to build a blockchain-as-a-service platform, as well as offer blockchain-enabled cloud services. It is expected that the platform will service the energy, finance, retail, and healthcare sectors. BIOS Middle East is a managed service and a cloud provider that is headquartered in Dubai. It aids over 300 customers with cloud services and helps them with digital transformation of business processes. In December of 2018, Vechain and Fuji tea partnered to implement advanced traceability and IoT solutions in the latter's tea supply line. Customers will be able to verify the origin of tea products using embedded NFC chips. The first trial batch of 100 products limited edition offering of tea was the basis of a proof of concept that lays the groundwork for more collaboration. Fuji Tea is an established Japanese tea company that has been in operation for over 90 years. In November of 2018, Vechain and ENN Energy Holdings partnered to integrate the Vechain Thor blockchain into ENN services. ENN is one of China's largest energy service providers, a clean energy distributor that operates in 187 project cities and serves a population of 95 million. In September of 2018, Vechain and BYD partnered to tackle carbon emissions. In collaboration with DNV GL, the two parties built a carbon banking solution on the Vechain Thor blockchain. The application sees vehicle operators rewarded with carbon credits based on driving performance and carbon reduction. The overall aim is to reduce the global carbon footprint. Its overall agenda is building a sustainable future and to that end offers products like passenger and commercial vehicles, rail transits, and batteries. In April of 2018, Vechain and LogSafer partnered to bring big data and IoT solutions to supply chain risk management and logistics insurance. Vechain's solution will be used to enhance insurance and value protection services for shipping, logistics, and trading companies. LogSafer is a supply chain risk management and logistics insurance platform that has partnered with over 20 insurance companies. In March of 2018, Vechain and Brightfood partnered to develop Brightcode, an application that is designed to promote product safety and increase consumer trust. Besides other uses, it will be used to keep track of the life cycle of products. An initial batch of milk products has already been tested. Brightfood is China's second largest food supplier and generated nearly $23 billion in revenue in 2018. In January of 2018, Vechain and Fanghuwang partnered to bring former solutions to the financial service industries, with the agenda being improving the effectiveness of financial products. Priorities include enhancing client data, collection systems, quality, storage security, shareability, and the reduction of costs. Fanghuwang is a real estate financing service that provides property mortgage loans to small and medium businesses. It places an emphasis on cloud computing and big data analysis to control risk and provide mortgage loans. It reportedly reduces loan approval times by 75% and reduces financing costs by 70%. Vechain currently operates out of 7 offices located in Shanghai, Singapore, Paris, Luxembourg, Palo Alto, Tokyo, and Hong Kong, with the international professional team of over 100 staff members, including 50 professional blockchain application developers. Vechain is also actively working with top-notch universities worldwide in its blockchain R&D capacity, such as Stanford University, MIT, Oxford Mathematical Institute, City University of Hong Kong, and South China Normal University. Additionally, Vechain is one of the leading firms globally in terms of blockchain-related patents. As enterprises continue to adopt blockchain technology, there is no doubt in my mind that they will have Vechain at the top of their list to join a business ecosystem that is powerful, productive, cost-effective, and simply too valuable to ignore. With a current market capitalization of $178 million on April 5th of 2020, it's clear as day that this project is drastically undervalued. With the very long list of top Fortune 500 companies, and even governments hopping on board to the Vechain ecosystem, Vechain is the trillion-dollar cryptocurrency.